All right, gentlemen, so I'm so incredibly excited to tell you about the new deodorant at Pete and Pedro. If you've been searching for a naturally derived deodorant that's aluminum-free, sulfate-free, baking soda-free, paraben-free, like all the bad crap free, if you're looking for a better deodorant and you've been searching for one that's not only going to be healthy, but also works incredibly well, gentlemen, the search is officially over. And the fragrance. That's the thing that's absolutely going to blow your mind. We call it super fresh because literally it is super fresh. It's a spearmint eucalyptus. And the amazing thing about this deodorant, as opposed to a lot of the deodorants that you're going to find in stores, is that it's mild. It helps, it works, it prevents you from stinking, but it isn't going to be overpowering so that you actually smell like your super sexy signature scent. The Pete and Pedro deodorant goes on clear. It also isn't greasy and oily, right? Which means you're not going to mess up your clothing. The other amazing thing is that because it's aluminum free, you can say sayonara to those nasty yellow pit stains. I don't like to brag too much, but today I'm gonna brag just a little bit because this deodorant is the best deodorant on the market. It took way too long to develop, but I was not gonna be satisfied for an average performing deodorant. I wanted one not only that was gonna work better than anything you've ever tried, I also wanted to make sure that it was going to be good for your body. This deodorant is derived from natural ingredients. It's not going to mess your clothes up. It's going to keep you fresh, dry, smelling incredible, but not too overpowering that it actually destroys your super sexy signature scent. Gentlemen, if you're looking for a better deodorant, you have officially found the best.